Hi there, this is our C0632 single phase lathe made between centres. It's got the emergency foot brake on it, and then all your normal other things. The only couple of things that I noticed with this lathe is the compound slide here at some stages hit some material, and a wee handle here. This handle's been repaired on the lock for that tail stock, and it's missing the wee panel that covers the coolant system back there. So it's got the e-stop, the wee inching for the chuck, your coolant. I can hear that coolant pump running. I haven't put fluid in it, but assume that's all working. So I'll run through things with you. I'll take you through the carriage first. So that's nice to move. Cross slide's nice to move. It's got a little bit of movement in that. Compound slide's good to move, and a little bit of movement in that. That tail stock lock's working. And so is that lock, and it feels pretty good inside there. I'll start it up and run you through the feeds. Oh, that's the emergency brake there. So that's the lead screw running there. I can change those speeds. So if I engage that, that's bringing the carriage towards me, and if I change that direction, and that's taking the carriage that way. I'll change that over to the feeds. So there's the feeds running, and that's the cross slide coming out towards you. And now I've engaged the carriage going that way. So those are the feeds. I'll take you through the gears. So low range 70, that'll be your slowest speed. Next one will be 115. 190, 300. So that's the low range. Take you into the high range, and 460. 755. 1255. One more. And 2000. So there's that speed range, the feeds. There's not much more to demonstrate, and it's all set to go.